And we're back to learning Illustrator in a year, day 174. Let me show the symbol screener tool. Yet again, we need the sprayer tool first and the symbols menu. I'll left click here on magnifying glass and then left click on the canvas. Let me use the symbol sizer tool. I actually clicked here 2 times. Let me delete that. We create a new one with the sprayer tool, just one. I size it up using the sizer tool with the left click and hold. And now I activate the screener tool. As always, you can double click here on this icon, which opens the menu. The screener tool is right here on the right hand side. And if you left click on it, you can see it gradually seems to disappear. And we had that with the stainer tool too, but it's a different effect. When I drag the magnifying glass to the left, it's actually transparent now, so it's not turned white like the canvas. The opacity is turned down by the screener tool. And if you hold Alt and left click, the opacity goes up again. So just left clicking, watch the top opacity value, it goes down, and holding Alt and left click, yet again, watch the opacity value, it goes up. So if you want to change the color, this is for the symbol stainer tool, and if you want to change the opacity, that's the symbol screener tool. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.